It's time for the news. So I'm going to deal with the XUSD, this one right here, but I have to take this one off, even if they are not in a profit. I'm gonna take them off first, say quickly. Only 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Oh my God.
Yo, what's going on, traders? So as we speak, guys, I'm driving. I'm on my way somewhere, but we only got 7 minutes before CPI news, and I'm willing to park somewhere and kill this news because I feel like, I can't miss this out for sure. I've been trying to looking for some opportunity in the market since morning. I couldn't find no opportunity, but since we got a CPI today, it's only 4 minutes that is left. I'm now looking for the place to, for the parking, somewhere where I can just park and trade this news just for 2 minutes. You know how we do. I only trade the news for 2 minutes, guys, and I'm out. I'm out of the market. So I'm now looking for somewhere to park right quick. You know how we do, guys. You can join the team. We can do this together. You know how we do. Always the link on the description below. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking for the parking, guys. You can see here. You can see here, guys. I'm driving. Yeah, but now we got 3 minutes. 3 minutes before the CPI news. As you know, guys, I already know what's going to be the direction of the news. So no big deal. All I need is to stop somewhere and start putting my orders in the market. It's only going to take me 2 minutes in order to make the profit. 2 minutes, and I'll be done. So let me find the parking somewhere here. I'm gonna find the parking somewhere here. Oh, let me see. I'm gonna find the parking somewhere here, guys, so that I can trade this in the CPI, because I don't want to miss this for sure. I don't want to miss this. So I'm gonna park it right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna park it right here. I'm just down the road, guys. I'm just gonna park it right here. Yes, I already parked. So now it's time to check. Only 3 minutes before NFP, guys. Before CPI news. Only 3 minutes left. I'm actually going to have some to get some haircut for myself, because I've been busy, guys. I don't even have time, to go to the barber shop, to get my hair done, So I'm going to get myself some haircut, So I'm gonna trade CPI right now. NFP is already in my mind every day, every time. But this one is just CPI, you know what I'm saying? So let's get to the chat, guys.
It's time for the news. So I'm going to deal with the XUSD, this one right here, but I have to take this one off, even if they are not in a profit. I'm gonna take them off first, say quickly. Only 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Oh my God. Hurry up. Only 1 minute left. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy this one right here. I'm going to buy this one right here. Gold. Guys, I'm gonna buy gold right now, I'm just gonna use one lot, 0, buy. Yes, sir. Guys, I'm done. Guys. See the profit, guys. I'm done, guys. Can see, guys, the profit. See the profit, guys. I'm done. Let's go, baby. Yo, guys, look at this, guys. Jesus Christ. Guys, I told you, guys, $800 in a profit. Hey, bro, I'm taking my profit. Boom, guys, I'm done. I'm out.
So guys, as you saw guys, 800 US dollar in a profit. I'm done for the day. I didn't get no opportunity since morning, but now guys, I'm done for the day. The day is done, you know what I'm saying? So this is how we do, guys. This is how we do, you know what I'm saying? This is how we do. So I'm done, guys. This was just less than 1 minute, bro. This was just less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Less than 1 minute. Look at this. I'm in a lot. You know what I'm saying? You see? You see, guys? I'm in a lot. You know what I'm saying? I just parked somewhere and start trading the news. You feel what I'm saying? Look. Look, guys. You see? So, guys, it's very easy to make money with the news, bro. Hey, bro, I love it. I love the news. Like, I love the news, guys. I love the news. You know what I'm saying? I love the news. So listen, listen, guys. If you're not in a VIP news, you're missing a lot. Because the news, guys, it doesn't need no many things. It's only 2 minutes and then you're done for the day. So right now I'm going to get my hair cut. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get my hair cut. You can see, guys, my hair doesn't look good for sure. I don't even like it too. You know what I'm saying? So this is how we do, guys. You know what I'm saying? Study hard to make this life easy, bro. For sure, for sure. You need to learn. Study hard to make this life easy. You know what I'm saying? This is how you go. This is how you're going to become freedom. You know what I'm saying? You can make your money anyway. This is how you're going to create your own freedom. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter where you are. You see, I'm just down the road. I'm just chilling right here. I was just driving to get my hair cut. But I was like, yo, 3:30, the news, 3:30, the news is gonna pop up. You know what I'm saying? And I knew what's going to be the direction of the news. You know what I'm saying? Then I was like, no, I can't miss this. You know what I'm saying? It's just 2 minutes. And I'm done for the day, bro. I'm done. $800, bro. It's cool for me, you know? It's cool for me, man. You know what I'm saying? It's cool for me. So don't miss this out, man. You know what I'm saying? Man, don't miss this out. Don't miss this out. You know what I'm saying? Everybody in a VIP Signal group, they already make money. You know what I'm saying? We have 2 VIP groups. We do have VIP for the Signal. We do have VIP for the news. Only people who are trading the news. You know what I'm saying? You join for the news only. If you want to join for the signals, you join for the signal. If you want to join for the news, you join for the news. Because, you know, we got a different types of traders in the world. There's a people who are trading only once in a month. There's a people who are trading every week. You know, every week. Sometimes we got some 2 news in a week, 2 or 1 news in a week. They only trade when there's a news in the market. That's all. So, guys, peace out, guys. You know, this is how I was able to make. You saw everything, right? You saw everything, right? You saw everything. So yeah, peace out. Make sure you do the right things. Study hard. Keep pushing. Keep learning. And you can also earn when you running. Learn when you earning. Easy like that. So it's your boy, man. It's your man here, you know. I like to give you guys some tips so that you guys can become better, you know. Peace out.